Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Bybit. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and over here you are going to see this deposit option. So you need to tap on deposit and then you will be given a bunch of different options that would help you to deposit money on Bybit. In the first method, you can directly use your currency in order to purchase any of the cryptos on Bybit. You can even use P2P trading in order to purchase cryptos, and if you have your cryptos in any other exchange or wallet, then you can deposit that crypto from that exchange or wallet to your Bybit account. So if you want to buy crypto via these two methods in the top, then you can watch the other videos on my channel on the same topics. For this video, I'm going to tap on the option of deposit with crypto, and then it will ask you to select the crypto that you want to deposit. So over here you will be given a bunch of different cryptos, so you just have to select the one that you want to deposit. For this video, I'm going to tap on USDT, and once you tap on the crypto or the USDT, it will ask you to select the network or the chain. So you just have to select any of the chains that you want. You can choose between TRC20 or BEP20 as it has a very less gas fees. After selecting the network, it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy that address, and after that you need to launch any other exchange in which you have that crypto. So you just have to withdraw that crypto from that exchange or wallet, and you simply need to paste the address that you have just copied, and after that you just have to confirm your withdrawal. This way you will be able to easily deposit your money in Bybit. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.